At Rethreaded, the way that women remember who we are and the vehicle is work and community. So when you shop at Rethreaded, you are creating the work that women need to heal from the trafficking that they've experienced. And you can buy it, and what we're asking is really do what you're already doing, just buy it from Rethreaded, right? A lot of people don't know that we have a Gifts of Hope company. Home builders are one of our greatest givers of gifts. So if you do any corporate gift giving, just use us. And we can put your initials on everything leather. We have the best toffee in the world.
I can confirm.
Yes.
Also,
Delicious.
I didn't say this, but the toffee that's out, confirmed, our samples, you can have.
Yes.
I can confirm that as well. I've told them just a budget and who it's for, and they've done a great job in putting something together and sending it out. Because I don't like to pick any of it out.
Yeah.
I just want it done.
We can do everything.
So,
and then one of your clients you sent it to now buys their gifts from us.
Yeah, they're in South Florida.
Yeah, it's so cool. And then also in the Builders Association, we also started an industrial rag company. So right now our biggest client is Crowley. They order about 3 pallets a month, 3,000 pounds of t-shirt rags. So we sell them in small bundles by the pound. If you need that in your business, painters are one of our markets to use our rags. So if you know anyone who wants rags, uses rags, if you could write down, if you don't use rags, if you know someone who could use rags, write that down. And then we're going to shop today.